Hi, I'm Roman from Roman Reporting, and today we are going to be opening Lightseekers by TOMY. We saw this at Kidtropolis and it looked amazing. It's R&R time. I have a starter pack that has Jax and his weapon and his fusion core, and it has 5 AR cards, and to go with him we have his jet, so he can fly in the game. When you press the button, there's a picture of him in the game flying. And then also we have another set. This one is Kora. She also comes with a weapon and 5 AR cards and a fusion core. And to go with Kora, she has this jet here, and then again she has a few pictures of her flying in the game. And there's going to be 2 more characters coming out very soon, and 2 more coming out next year. So Dad is going to be showing you the AR on the box. Whoa!
How cool is that?
How cool!
His jetpack.
Whoa! That's so cool.
Then Kora.
Oh look! Oh!
That's Kora.
Oh yeah! How cool! She just comes out the box. That's so
awesome,
cool.
isn't it?
Whoa! I like how it spins.
Yeah, it spins as it comes out. It's so cool, isn't it? And that's her jetpack. So
Yeah.
the boxes have got the AR. So don't forget, if you get these, check the box out, see what the AR stuff does. And also we've got some cards.
But you got these at
Got these
Kidtropolis.
at Kidtropolis.
Whoa! Wait, turn it up a bit. Whoa! Whoa!
And that is cool.
Claim
Look at
card. Yes, please.
that. So we'll claim that card. We've got that.
Whoa. How cool.
AR is so awesome, isn't it?
So this is Jax, and he has really cool details, and I love him the most. And he is very poseable, so you can pose him by the legs and arms. And he has a really cool tail, and he has a little potion as well, so that's super cool. And then he also comes with, this is his weapon, the hammer, and then that clips right in through this hole here, like so. Then he can hold it and battle with it in the game. And then he has, this is his fusion core, and what you have to do is on the back there's a little hiding spot. You take that out, and then you put this fusion core in like that, and then I think you're supposed, so in this hole here is where you put your jet pack in, and he interacts with the game when you play it. That's super cool. So we have 5 AR cards. We have his hammer, minefield, shatter blast, smart bomb, Jax, and this tribute card. And these are really cool. When you scan it in the game, it gives you lots of treasure, and when you give it to your friends and they scan it if they have the game, that makes this card more and more powerful, which is really cool. Now it's time to show you Kora. Okay, so this is Kora, and again she has really cool detail all around her, and she is poseable. She's got a movable head and arms, as well as the legs. And same thing with Jax. You have to take out the hidden piece, like so. So she's now got a gap, and then all you have to do is slot this through, and then she can interact with the game. And this is where this hole is for her jetpack. And then her weapon is super cool. This clips on her hands. It's got a little hole. And then you can battle with her in the game. So the weapons are detachable. So say if I wanted to play with Kora, but I wanted to play with Jax's weapon, the same thing with her weapon, just clips in, and then you can battle with her. And she comes with 5 AR cards, as I told you earlier on. She comes with her own card, Kora, Aquadart Crab, which is her weapon, Electrostun, Cold Snap, Eye of the Storm, and a tribute card. Now I'll show you the jetpacks. So this is Kora's jetpack, and as I said, there is a little sticking out piece of plastic, and that sticks up in the hole. That, and now in the game she can fly. That's so cool. And then I'll show you what Jax looks like. So this is Jax, and the same thing, has plastic that goes through the hole on the power core, and now he can fly. Now I'll show you the AR cards.
Okay.
So these are all Jax cards. So this is Jax himself. So that's the 3D version of him on the app. That's so cool. See what's next? So this is Jax and the bomb.
Shatterblast.
I like that yellow thing that just spins round. It's so cool.
Minefield.
See which this one. Whoa! This is like the picture of the card.
Yeah, of the ability, isn't it?
Mhm.
So these are all the special abilities. So this is his hammer.
The nitro hammer. That's so cool. And
And then the
jet.
his jetpack.
Why? These are so cool. Okay, let's see Kora's cards.
Kora.
Yep. Whoa. How cool. I like how it actually moves around as
Yep.
well.
Her Aquadart, which is her weapon.
Wow. Whoa. That is so cool.
Her ability, Eye of the Storm.
Oh, that's cool. It's the same golden thing, just that it comes flying out from the sky.
Cold Snap.
Why?
That's her ability, Cold Snap. And the Electro Stun.
That's another ability. That's so cool.
And her Skyrider. This is her jetpack.
Cool.
How cool is that?
It's got a bunch of floating treasure. That's so cool.
That should be the same.
You can download the app so you can play it on your iPad or phone on the Apple App Store, Google Play, Amazon. Okay, so now we're going to play as him. So let's turn him on.
I'm fully energized.
Okay,
Yeah, check me out.
let's press
Gotta
play.
get the tail into it.
Okay.
Welcome
See,
to
this is a
TOMY,
little video.
home to adventure, magic, and all manner of
See what this is
creatures.
about.
Like this weird little thing. Ancient temples scattered
Oh, that's one of the
throughout world
characters
hide relics of the
coming out.
past that are probably better off forgotten. Like that suspicious glowing tomb, for
Graphics on
example.
this is really good.
High above the forests
See what
of
happens.
Ashwood, that mighty beam catches the attention of the Lightseekers. It's time to see what our heroes
cool.
are made of.
It's so cool.
The fate of the world is in their hands. This
Oh, he just
is
dropped his
where
hand.
your adventure begins, Lightseeker.
It's floating in the sky though.
Enemies nearby.
Okay.
Watch your back.
Let's see. Oh. They destroyed my ship. My beautiful ship. Jax, let me...
There they are.
I need to get these. No.
That's awesome. So this is like the RPG style of game, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's great graphics for a tablet game. Oh, cool, he's flying. I can't go that way by the looks of it. Nice idea.
Ah.
Closing in.
That's for the bad guys. How are they laying on the floor?
Look, General.
It's General Carnage.
Whoa! Oh, the leader of that. Quick move. Tap to run. Oh look, there's Kora. Okay.
Looks like we'll have to jump.
Let's see. Press this button.
This is really cool. So remember,
Send coordinates for Tantos.
so you can see. And as you move it, you move on the counter. Absolutely insane.
Whoa!
So what's really cool about this is Rand's
Yeah.
moving the character about. So it moves the character in the app, which is super awesome. And then you've got some buttons on the back of the tab, which you shoot. Lots of different elements in this game, which is quite cool. It's an RPG, and then you've got to pick an action game where you're flying about and you're interacting.
Let's see.
Looks like Commander Micaiah wants to talk to us.
To put you there. Actually, can I fly? Let's see.
My tech can handle a few Umbron.
Power bomb. Okay, so now we're going to be playing an action game. This is Coin Chase in the Desert, and I'm going to be playing against my brother Harley. Okay. See who wins. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no. Haha. Coin. Get all the coins. Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Good thing. See.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Awesome. Who won? Who got the most stars?
I think. Me?
It was.
Yes!
Well done, Raymond. Ready to go, guys?
Yep. Yes.
Roman versus Freddy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Starboy! Medic!
Yeah. Yeah.
So this time, Freddy's Jax and Roman is Kora.
Yeah.
Cool!
4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Who won?
One.
It's
Yes!
Well done, Roman. Collect the coins. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Freddy versus Harley. Go! 3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
I can tell who's behind me. Ow.
You crashing, Freddy?
Ow. I'm not meant to be crashing.
Oh.
I'm.
Freddy's trying to shoot you.
The angle.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Awesome!
1,
3 words.
0.
Piece of cake.
Who won?
Hoping for more of a challenge.
Come on. Player one
Hey,
wins.
well done.
Who is
That was
that?
Freddy.
Oh yes! I
Well done,
never
Freddie.
win.
Okay.
So I would definitely recommend this game as a good Christmas present for somebody that likes video games and likes to use them brain a lot to imagine. And it was super cool. The detail was really, really nice. And yeah. Please give us comments down below. Please subscribe.